Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For example number 1, 80% of the books in the cupboard are academic books. If there are 50 books in the cupboard, find the probability that 40 books taken at random from the cupboard are academic books by using A. Binomial, B is the normal approximation to the binomial distribution. So I just focus on part B because part A you have learned in chapter 3. In order for you to use normal approximation, make sure you are satisfying these two conditions. The first one is NP is more or equal to 5 and P is in between 0.1 up until 0.9. So in order to find NP, calculate first. Mu is equivalent to NP, N is 50, P is 0.8. So your mu right now is 40. Meaning that this is satisfying the first condition. And then the second condition, P is in between 0.1 up until 0.9. So your P is 0.8, also satisfied. So both conditions satisfy. Then you can use normal approximation method. In order to use normal, you have to find mu and also variance. So mu is 40 just now, variance is NPQ. So 40 times 0.2 is 8. Then your normal distribution, the parameter is 40 and also 8. This is mean and then this is the variance. Okay, so question asks you to find probability that 40 books taken are academic books. To symbolize this one, you have Px is equal to 40. Remember the bar graph that you have learned before? Let's say this is bar 40. Okay. So whenever you want to use normal approximation, which is continuous data, you have to apply continuity correction. So bar 40 is actually starting from this value up until this value, which is from 39.5 up until 40.5. So this is the compulsory step for continuity correction. And then the second step is you convert to the standard normal using the formula of x minus mu over standard deviation. So 8 is your variance. Standard deviation will be square root of 8. So you have the z value starting from negative 0.18 up until 0.18. This is the shaded area, in between area. So how can you find from the table? Table only read the tail side area. So you have to minus these two tail side area. So if you refer to the normal table, 0.18, the probability will be 0.4286. And then times by 2. Why? Because these two area is the same. Because this is symmetry. So 1 minus 2 times 0.4286, you will have the answer 0.1428.